Hey everyone, Kendra Eichler here from Workout Your Girl Fit Camps, or WLG for short. We want to give a major shout out to all you amazing people that have checked out, subscribed, and liked our new YouTube channel. This will be the home base for our challenge workouts, nutrition advice, recovery techniques, and so much more, so stay tuned. Today we're going to cover how to use your challenge booklet as well as how to follow our points-based system of accountability. This athlete booklet and the points associated with it will be part of your life for the next 12 weeks, so it's a good time to get familiar with it and how it all works. First, let's go over your athlete booklet. You will receive your challenge booklet on your weigh-in date. This booklet is yours to keep from start to finish and beyond. It will track your goals, training, recovery, food, water, deductions, as well as bonus points during the entire 12 weeks. At your initial weigh-in, we will use the measurements page from your booklet to record your age, height, weight, body measurements, and body fat if in-body was added to your challenge package. Just remember, only those that do the in-body can be chosen for the top 3 points-based prizes. Once your weigh-in is complete, now the work begins. Each week is mapped out so you can track all the important aspects of your day: hydration, fuel, and sweat. Let's keep it simple. Each day you start with 100 points in your WLG bank. They are yours and only yours to lose. First up, we have hydration. The rule of thumb is 0.67 or 2/3 of your body weight. You can count water used during your training and recovery for shakes towards your daily goal. If you fail to hit your daily goal, you lose the entire 40 points. There are no prorations. Next, we have fuel. You can follow the WLG meal plans if you need guidance on how to eat, how much to eat, and how often to eat. However, we have many people who are following a ketogenic diet, Whole30, Paleo, RP, Arbonne, Isogenics, Advocare, etc. They're all acceptable as long as you understand that consistency is the key to any lifelong change. Any daily nutritional plans are allowed on the WLG challenge and are worth 30 points. Please note that if you choose to eat anything off our no-go list, then you must take a deduction for that item. No exceptions. A list of these deductions will be located in your athlete booklet. Next, we have sweat. Sweat counts as 45 to 60 minutes approximately of any activity that elevates your heart rate and challenges you. As I always say, if it doesn't challenge you, it will not change you. Any WLG Fit Camp class, running, stair climbing, biking, swimming, rowing, speed walking, yoga, as well as stretching, or any other recovery effort are worth 20 points a day. Failure to perform something daily will cause you to lose your 20 sweat points. Don't forget, rest days are a great day for stretching. Last but not least, we have tracking. Studies show that tracking your fitness goals, nutrition, and hydration will help create lasting habits that will ultimately bring about change as well as adherence to a healthy lifestyle. Has all this talk of points got you worried about deductions? Well, don't sweat it. We've got you covered. You can earn up to 150 bonus points each week. These bonus challenges come in the form of a weekly mileage goal with running, walking, or biking. And new to this challenge, we will have the Warriors Challenge. More information about these challenges will be located on the private Facebook page. With bonus points, the biggest confusion comes from double dipping. If you choose to participate in the weekly running challenge, you may not use that mileage to count towards your 20 daily sweat points. You would need to properly stretch or any kind of recovery effort afterwards to keep those 20 daily points and continue to accrue mileage towards your bonus points. Bottom line is, daily sweat points are not the same as bonus points. As confusing as it sounds, it will make total sense here soon. Okay guys and girls, the weigh-in sheet is up and running on the private Facebook page, so make sure you grab a weigh-in slot so you're prepped and ready to go for the September 22nd kickoff. Once again, thanks for watching this video. We are so excited this challenge season and can't wait to see all the amazing results just waiting around the corner. Until next time, get moving, get sweaty, feel great, and repeat. This athlete book and the points associated with the page for your booklet to record your age. First up, hydration. These challenges are going to be similar to these challenges will be